Hey guys, Joseph, Zachary, Michael, Gregory. I love you guys. A deer just went right through here. I missed it. I wasn't ready for my camera I'm sorry. The deer runs right over there. The path that they go through. Right over there. It was not very big. It wasn't a little tiny one like you saw before, Joseph. Like we have in our prior videos. You can see the path they go through right there. And it walked right back behind this asbestos-ridden house and ended up right over here, crossed right behind that mailbox, right over there in their yard. So I'm going to sit here quietly for a little while and see if any more come. I love you guys so much. Please make good choices. Please shower. I know, Joseph, you and Zachary are with Nathan now. Don't do what he does, please. You guys know. Do your reading, do your writing. I don't care what the people are doing that you are with. You are responsible for your own behavior. Michael, Gregory, go to bed at a reasonable hour, no later than 10 or 11, and get up when you're supposed to. Do not participate in what the people that are doing around you. You know these things. I love you.